Hello, my name is Jacob, and I am here to tell you. I'm gonna show you how to make fun of Power Rangers. Okay, step 1. Sit down on a chair. Step 2. Watch TV. Step 3. Watch Power Rangers as long as you can. 4. This is not optional. Laugh for 3 seconds. Power Rangers are so dumb. Alright, let's do it again. Just sit down in a chair, look at the TV, watch Power Rangers. Step 4, again, is not optional. Laugh for a few seconds. Power Rangers are so dumb. Okay, now that's how you make fun of Power Rangers.